What's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. Well, where I was at, it was like minus 35, minus 36 the other day. I came up on a red Dodge Caravan on the shoulder of the road, flat tire, pulled up in front, backed up a little bit, walked over to him, and I said, "You okay?" He goes, "Yeah, I can't get one lug nut off." He had the tire out, everything. He just couldn't get one lug nut off. This one. And the reason is the tire irons are, there's not a lot of depth with them. And these nuts swell up. See that? There's like a metal cap that goes on the wheel nut, and it's chrome. I guess it's for show or whatever. Anyway, what happens is moisture gets in there, it gets rusty and expands, or moisture gets in there and freezes, but it makes this pucker up. So when you go to put the tire iron on, you see how, let's see, can you see that? See how that edge? That's all he was getting on. That amount right there. That's all he could get on, and it would twist. Then I come along, and I have a socket. So I drove the socket on. Okay, I drove it on this much. Not very much, but it was enough. I have my battery-powered impact, and I always say carry a Johnson bar, whatever. Put it on, boom, off it came. Now, I'm sure somebody would have pulled over for him sooner or later. But I was first on scene. So, you got to help out. You got to help out people. I always tell people, check your lug nuts just to make sure they're in good condition. They're not swollen. I gave him one. I actually had a spare one, and I'm going to pick up some more. I went to my local Napa, talked to a guy there. His name's Matt. He hooked me up with them, a couple bucks each, but they're solid. They don't have this stupid cap on. They're solid. So I put them on. They always stay the same size, and I can take them off very easily. And I tell people, and I showed it to him. I showed him the difference, and he was shocked. Like, he goes, "Why would they put those on?" I said, "It's for appearance." They don't think, 10, 15 years down the road that it's going to be a problem. They don't care. But it's for appearance. They're nice and shiny. Well, they were nice and shiny or whatever. So I tell you, if you have these stupid ones with the cap on them and that, or just even try your the what you use to take off your wheel nuts. If they're swollen, go get yourself, it'll cost you a few bucks, but go get yourself a set of good ones. Like, you can get solid ones, because the last place you want not to get your wheel off is in the middle of nowhere, or in the middle of winter, or in the middle of a rainstorm, or whatever. Because it was just lucky, because I always carry the socket Johnson bar. I carry my impact with me just in case I have a flat tire, right? You never know. You run over a million things. It's very easy to get a flat tire these days. But for your own safety, maybe check your wheel nuts. If there's this type, put your tire iron on them. And if it doesn't really fit all that well, get new wheel nuts. Cheap insurance. You know what? It's better than freezing your butt off. Okay? Anyway, guys, I thought I'd just come by, share this with you, give you a little tip, maybe keep you safe on the road. You guys take care. Please be safe.